Ella, you gonna read your picture book? Oh. Auntie. Oh, that's Dada. Who else? Who's that? Mama Lenny. Who's that? Dada. And the doggy. Who else? What do you see? Auntie and Zachy. Zachy. Can you give Auntie a kiss? Oh, so nice. There's Auntie and Zach. Oh, you're giving them kisses? Oh, that's Zachy. Can you give Zachy a kiss? Oh, thank you. Good girl. You want to give him more kisses? Oh, thank you. Do you want to read Elmo? Read the Elmo book? What's that? Helba? Elmo. Oh, look who's in here. Look, it's Oscar. Oscar and Big Bird. It's Big Bird. Ooh, look. Look, cookies. There's a cookie. Cookie.